Imagine waking up to a world transformed by a fierce storm. In March 1888, the Great Blizzard struck the northeastern United States, dumping up to 50 inches of snow in just 2 days. With winds reaching 80 miles per hour, it created snowdrifts towering over houses and paralyzed cities. Public transport halted, trapping thousands, including schoolchildren. The storm claimed over 400 lives, revealing the vulnerability of urban infrastructure. In its aftermath, cities reevaluated their preparedness for such disasters. The blizzard prompted advancements in weather forecasting and emergency response, reshaping how communities approached severe weather. This event remains a stark reminder of nature's power and unpredictability.